Hello, welcome to my second video for my Shea Moisture ambassadorship. In this video, I'll be showing you my second box of Shea Moisture products that I received. And now I'm gonna open it to see what's inside. Boom, we have the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair with Manuka and Baobab oils. Here's inside. Ooh, this is so exciting. So we have the Hydrate, Repair, and Shampoo, Hydrate and Repair Conditioner, Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment, Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. Was that the same thing? Oh, same thing. This must be a sample packet so I can share with my friends. And this Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In, and this is the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm, and a cool little brushy thing, I think for my scalp. So to start off, we have the shampoo. I used it and it smells really good. Like, it's kind of like flowers, maybe cookies. It's like flowers and cookies. I don't know if that makes sense, but it smells really good and I really enjoyed using this. And then I got the Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. This too has a really nice smell. It's the same as the shampoo. It's thick. And I mean, I think after I used this, my hair, like when it was still like just wet, like the curls are much more defined. Like I definitely noticed a difference with that. Multi-action leave-in, which you can use like daily. It smells nice. It hydrates my hair real quick, you know, and I'm out the door. For this one, you're supposed to generously spray the product all over. Clean, damp hair and comb through. Do not rinse. You can blow or air dry it and style as usual. So you can wash your hair or like do what I did and just spray your hair with some water and then mix this in there to just kind of give the hair a little pick-me-up. And now I have the Split End Balm. It instantly seals and reduces the appearance of split ends and reduces breakage from heat styling up to 89% for a fresh cut look. Got a substantial amount of product in there. This is what it looks like, kind of like chapstick. It's kind of like chapstick for your hair. Or to help out your split ends, just put that on there and see how it works. And finally, I have the Protein Power Treatment. This is supposed to repair damage caused by overprocessing, and just one use of the intensive treatment helps strengthen by reducing breakage up to 76%. Okay. And smooths to naturally reinforce and revitalize abused hair fibers. So you apply a quarter-sized amount from roots to ends, paying particular attention to damaged ends, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse thoroughly and style as usual. It may also be used as a pre-wash intensive treatment. But I gave a sample of this to my friend earlier. And here is my friend Jasmine, and I'm gonna give her the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment.
Oh my God, Sydney, you shouldn't have.
Oh, you're welcome, Jasmine. You rock. Hope your hair is fabulous and powerful, just like you. And she told me that it worked really well on her hair, so I can't wait to use it and see what it does. So that's what I got in my second box. And I really love like the color, like the light blue and the gold. Like it's a really cute combination. I like the smell of all of these, and I did notice a difference with my hair and how it looked once I washed my hair with both of these. It helped out a lot. So last night I went and used the Protein Power Treatment as a pre-wash treatment. I left it in for like a few hours. The consistency is kind of like a whipped cream, I guess you could say. I really liked it. It went through my hair really easily. I just put it in there, and then I braided each section, and then I put a shopping bag on my head because I couldn't find my plastic shower cap, so they both work. And then I put like one of those little wrapping towels on my hair, so or on my head over the plastic bag, so that way like the heat could stay in, it could get into my hair. And then after that, I went in the shower, rinsed it all out, and then I washed my hair with the shampoo, and then I used the conditioner, and my hair felt really good. I saw the curls popping, you know, okay. And then I had my hair sectioned like I normally do, like with my wash and goes, like this right now, this is a wash and go. And I had my hair section, and then I took each section and I put the leave-in in each section, and then I added on the hair balm on the ends. It was a little difficult to get the hair balm out because it was just kind of thick. It's really thick, and I had to like, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I really noticed a difference. I think I probably have to use a little bit more and like compare like one hair to like another to see if there's a huge difference. And then after using all these products, I also added in the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie for styling purposes, and this is what I got. And my hair is just really light, and it's like really fluffy today. The curls are defined, and it turned out really well. So I really liked this collection of products, and I highly suggest using it. Yeah, so if you have any questions, comment below, let me know. Thank you, Shea Moisture. See you all on my next video. Okay.